Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're listening to us. Once again, this is Biafra Generation. We do every of our possible best to make sure that the gospel we preach is based on Biafra. I've been talking about updating you guys on what happened at Ohafia. I believe that someone said I should correct it. I believe that the Nigerian soldiers in their life, if they hear Ohafia youth or Ohafia in Abia State, they will retrieve their step and go back. Whenever any of them is sent to Biafran land, especially Abia State or Ohafia, I don't know if I'm getting the pronunciation, they will retrace their step immediately, instantly. Now I bring you good tidings and I bring you good news. I bring you good news of favor, good news of prosperity, good news of light. And that is the only news I am going to bring to you today and forever. I'm going to keep bringing news today. I'm going to keep bringing good news forever. Now, there was a report that the UGM, the unknown gunmen, killed several soldiers who came to capture innocent civilians, who came to kill innocent civilians. How did it happen? I'm about to tell you the real life story. I would have copied it and pasted it so that everybody will read along, but I'm reading it now. There's a man, there's a herbalist or a traditionalist, there's a dibia, who was in the town of Ohafia, and these soldier men as usual came. They wanted to arrest him for no reason. He didn't do anything. So with his power, his little fetish power, he used it to stop them. And luckily for him, he called the unknown gunmen to come and help him. And they came to Ohafia. When they came, they and the Nigerian terrorists, which are the soldiers, started exchanging guns and bullets. And believe you me, none of the UGM went down. None of them. It was reported that 25 soldiers went down on that very day. So what they did, they went back and re-strategized because the unknown gunmen felt that they are going to follow them to wherever they are going. Whether in the city, whether in the village, whether in the bush, I don't know. But they didn't follow them. Do you know what these soldiers did? These soldiers went and they went to the market square of Ohafia and started burning every place, shooting innocents. You know, that is what they are very good at. They are very good at shooting innocent civilians. I am saying this and I'm making this a point of information. That is all they are good at. What is the innocent civilian? When they see those ones that have the same rifle, the way they have theirs, they are not going to do anything. They're going to run away. So they went to the barrack and brought more of their men. And their men started burning innocent civilians' houses. If it were be, let these guys face the UGM one-on-one or face ESN one-on-one or face anybody, maybe the vigilantes one-on-one in Biafran land, I am telling you, you will see the expository of the Nigerian soldiers that they are cowards. They are cowards. I am telling you the facts. When you arrest an innocent citizen who is claiming for his or her rights, fighting for his or her rights, you are arresting such person. What are you? What are you, if I may ask? There is an open door for very big knowledge. An open door for big knowledge. We must understand the very, very truth and the particular efficient knowledge we are putting through. So the UGM faced them. They say the gun battle started from, I think, 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. They were shooting sporadically. That is about 15 hours or 10 hours, thereabout. And no UGM man went down. Forget what the news is telling you. The news came out and said there's only 6 soldiers and 1 person that they killed. A heavy lie. Were they there? Those who saw what happened gave us the information. That's all. When we tell you something here, if you like, believe it. If you like, believe whatever you see in the Zoo newspaper. It's not our business. This broadcast today is very hot. And I must tell you, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Mazi and Nnamdi Kanu have gone silent day 12. Or will I say day 12 or day 11? He has gone silent again. And we believe that we are strategizing, making a big force to put across the sovereignty and souvenir of a powerful mission. We must understand, the Yorubas, our Yoruba brothers must understand that, you know what Awolowo said? He regrets not listening to Ojukwu. Ojukwu went to the prison and freed him and said, come out, I'm the only one that will free you. He told him, this is what you must do. Awolowo felt that it's this only unity that he wanted. Today, what is happening in Yoruba land? What is happening everywhere? If only he had taken his advice. Look at what Showore is doing. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called Showore and said to Showore, all this thing you are doing revolution now, stop it. You have a voice in the West. Use it and demand for the one nation. Showore said no. That he wants to fight for a united Nigeria. You know, Africans, we don't learn from our father's mistake. We don't learn from our father's mistakes. Why is Nnamdi Kanu not declaring war, even though everybody is pushing him to? Are you prepared? You'll be in, just like us in Transylvania. You'll be in America, you'll be in UK, saying, hey, Nnamdi, you call him on food. Nnamdi Kanu, do something. We need to declare this thing. We need to go to the. You are there. After you cut the call, you will tell your wife, Biko, tell them chicken. Ichenandi no na Biafra wewu. I ask you. Ichenandi no na Biafra wewu. Ichena wakwya. The same way you value your family, that is the same way they value their family, not because they just volunteered to fight for this cause. Hey, Nnamdi Kanu, we need to declare, we need to have border. We need to, you just be there speaking. You don't know that Nnamdi Kanu has been in a hot seat ever since he decided to take up the mantle of Biafran actualization. If you think it is easy, go and try it. If you think it is a fisherman's squad, go and do it. Then you will clearly understand how it is to fight for the restoration of Biafra. You understand how it is to fight for the restoration of the actualization of the Biafran states. Do you get the point? That's what you will understand. You understand how difficult it is to move and talk about the actualization of the restoration of Biafra. Now these soldiers, they left Ohafia, burnt markets, cars, people's property. That's the way they do. Cowards! In army uniform. What you will never hear, you can never hear, that will happen in America or all of these developed countries. Once again, I live in peace and harmony. I am Chiamaka Obozo, your Ada Biafra, reporting from Biafran Generation Studio. Peace out.